Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about escape characters in Swift, how they're used and why they're very useful. So escape characters are basically characters which you put in strings and which allow you to modify the string in usually ways you wouldn't be able to. So the escape character is usually a backslash followed by something else, or it can just be a backslash, but let me show you what I mean. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is if I try to just print a backslash on its own, it's going to give me an error which is undetermined string literal, and basically that means it's just not going to work. So if you want to print one singular backslash, you actually need to put two backslashes in the print statement, and if we print this, you'll see that it's only going to print one of them, since one backslash is an escape character, which basically means the other one, you just ignore it, the program ignores it, and then it looks what's after it. So you can see it's only going to print one backslash. So that's one of the uses. Now another one is probably the most recognizable one, but it's the \n, and what that does is it basically creates a new line. So you'll see that this hello world thing is going to be printed on two lines. Let me just move this here. So you can see hello world is printed on two lines from one print statement, and that's because of a \n. And \r also does a similar thing. There is a difference, but it's kind of hard to understand, and I don't really fully understand it. So yeah, you can see \r also makes it on two lines. Then you have \t, and that basically is a tab, so just make a big space in between hello world, and this is the tab. So yeah, and then finally, let's say you wanted to actually have a speech mark in your text, in your string. So usually you wouldn't be able to, like, you would have to either do this, no, you couldn't do this, since this would cause a string to end and then this wouldn't happen. So you could just do a triple string and then another one there, and then you could add it in here. But that's quite, clunky, and it, like, if you need to do this a lot, then it's tough, and also it does all of this stuff. So what you want to do is you can actually just do \, and this will let it happen. So you see, since this is the escape character, this isn't affecting the actual thing, and the quotation mark is in hello world. Now that you can do the same thing with a single quote, and yeah, so that's about it. And also there's just one more, but this isn't as important. If you do \0, that's just a nil character, which basically just means there's nothing there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Those were the escape characters in Swift.